The easiest way to add circle crop effect on video in Premiere Pro, as you can see my video at this time you are watching. First of all, import talking head video and screen recording into timeline, then go to effects panel and search for circle effect. Drag and drop this circle effect on your talking head video. If you don't find the effects panel here, go to Windows and make sure effects panel is checked. Then go to effect controls and scroll down a little bit. Here change the blend mode to Stencil Alpha. Decrease or increase the radius to increase your circle size. Definitely adjust it according to your desires. Once you adjust the radius size, and then from here you can change the color as you like. For example, I choose the white as well. Anyways, and once you adjust this setting and radius, now let's move back to motion under the video section and just adjust your video position by just increasing or decreasing this position here and there, so where you want to adjust your video. Once you adjust your video motions, now my friend, the time to add some strokes. Again go to effects panel and search for paint bucket, and you will find the paint bucket. Simply drag and drop this paint bucket effect on your talking head videos. Again scroll down here, and in the paint bucket tool play with these settings. First of all, change the fill selector to alpha channel, and then choose the stroke from anti-alias to stroke. Now change this color whatever you like. For example, I want this, I think. Now you can increase or decrease the stroke width from here. For example, I want 10. You can go to random number, and that's how you beautifully, my friend, can add circle crop effect in Premiere Pro on your talking head videos. And see, my friend, how beautifully and easily you can add circle crop effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, make sure to give us a like, and also consider to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.